Lieutenant Brian Rice is a free man, cleared of all charges in connection with the police in custody death of Freddie Gray.
Guilt requires more than mere negligence. It's more than just a mistake. He has to consciously disregard a risk. And I think the judge said he just couldn't find that beyond a reasonable doubt.
Judge Barry Williams admonished the state for asking the court to rely on presumptions or assumptions, saying the court's imaginings do not serve as a substitute for evidence. Rice is the third officer to be acquitted. Legal experts question whether the state should go forward with the other cases.
There are no more theories, as it would appear, for the state to put forth in its attempt to successfully prosecute.
One legal expert believes prosecuting the officers in the first place was a rush to judgment.
The morale of the officers are down, the arrests are down, violent crime is up. And what, to send a message to them that, if you violate the law, we'll prosecute you? No, just prosecute officers that violate the law.
The judge gave Lieutenant Rice's decision not to seatbelt Gray some weight, saying based on the evidence presented, it is clear to this court that emotions and tensions ran high. The reality of what was going on Mount and Baker is not particularly clear-cut or one-sided. It is a matter of perspective as to the threat and need for officers to leave the scene quickly. Rice's perspective was important.
I expect that there will be additional trials because you're putting the police department on notice. You're putting the officers of their awareness that they must treat people and protect them and safeguard them and make sure that what happens to Freddie Gray does not ever happen again in our city.
The judge also finds prosecutors failed to establish Rice's level of training. The judge concedes it's his fault because he wouldn't allow that evidence into the court because of a sanction on a discovery violation. Reporting live from Courthouse East, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, David, thank you very much. Well, reaction to the verdict is pouring in. This, for example, from Baltimore City Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake, who released the following statement, quoting here, "Now that the criminal case has come to an end, Lieutenant Rice will face an administrative review by the police department. This has been a very difficult time for our city, and I thank the community for their patience during this time and ask their continued respect for the judicial process as we move forward," end quote. Meanwhile, the president of the Baltimore City Police Union says he's pleased with the judge's decision. Lieutenant Gene Ryan also called on City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby to drop the charges against the remaining officers charged in the case.
We again strongly urge Mrs. Mosby to stop her malicious prosecution against the remaining 3 officers. Based upon the evidence in previous trials, we are certain the remaining 3 officers will also be found not guilty.
Now, Ryan has also pointed out that the court has chastised the prosecution for failing to follow proper rules for evidence as required by law.